No matter what trim level you choose in the brand new 2021 Kia Telluride, you're always going to get the power of its 291 horsepower 3.8 liter V6 with an 8-speed transmission. Now there are some key differences between the LX and the SX. Now the LX is going to come standard with the 18-inch alloy wheels, while the SX over here is going to come equipped with 20-inch wheels. All trim levels are going to come standard with the Apple CarPlay or the Android Auto. Now where the SX is going to stand out, it's going to come standard with the 10.25-inch touchscreen. Next, the SX model has a genuine leather seating, while the LX has beautiful Sofino synthetic leather seating. Another notable feature is the dual-panel sunroof in the SX that the LX trim does not feature. In addition, all models will have a proximity key with push-button start capabilities along with remote start functions directly through your key fob. To access that, what you're going to do is go ahead and lock the vehicle, hold down the remote start for 3 seconds. Vehicle's then going to fire it up, and to go ahead and shut it off, push a 1 button. All 2021 Kia Tellurides will also have 87 cubic feet of available cargo room. There's added convenience in every trim level with the one-touch sliding and folding seats. Every 2021 Kia Telluride is an award-winning model, so no matter which one you take home today, you'll be making a very smart decision. To learn more, please visit us here at Generation Kia, where you can shop your way.